Are you ready to get yours? Receive unexpected cash in 24 hours or less. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Remember, your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite field of potential, to all your dreams, all your wonders, all your desires. I urge you to go to Miracle Hypnosis online and claim your 7 days free. 7 days free to explore the entire site, to use all the audio programs to begin shifting your mind, raising yourself to your highest personal potential, and attracting what you deeply desire. That's Miracle Hypnosis online. Well, today we're talking about getting yours in 24 hours or less, attracting money into your life. So I'm going to give you a very simple formula. I've used it personally many times. I've shared it with numbers of people who have had great success with it. You are going to have great success with it. All you have to do is follow the instruction. Watch the bouncing ball. It's about to happen. Now, high flyers, understand this. Money is a vibration. Your thoughts, the thoughts that you think, the feelings that you feel are vibratory as well. Your ability through consciousness to literally shift the direction of the universe and bring good things your way in the form of money or abundance or opportunity absolutely exists. We call it the law of attraction. Now, here's a secret. I'm going to give you a very simple secret to bringing cash in your life within 24 hours. You're going to need a piece of paper. I like these little Post-it notes, and you'll see why in just a moment. You're going to get one of these Post-it notes, and you're going to write down here, I expect. I didn't say I hope. I didn't say I wish. I didn't say I want. I said, I expect. And you're going to put in a dollar amount that is reasonable for you to believe at this point in your manifesting career. In other words, you are a manifester. What do you reasonably believe that you can attract in 24 hours? But you want to put a dollar amount down. I think it's important. I expect to manifest or attract, and put the dollar amount down, in 24 hours or less. Now, I left something out there, and I left it out on purpose. The universe is your partner. The universe is your co-creator. So you got to give the universe some opportunity, some input into this process. So here's what you're really going to write. I expect to manifest X amount of dollars or something better. Oh, yes. Something better. It could be bigger. It could be different. Let me give you an idea. Let's say you put down, I expect to manifest $10 in 24 hours from some unexpected source, not through your normal means, but some unexpected source. And all of a sudden you go into a Starbucks and somebody offers to pay for your coffee and buy you a sandwich. And the bill comes up to $12.95. You just got a gift of $2.95 over what you expected. Now, you didn't get it in the form of a green $10 bill in your hand. But what you got was the vibratory equivalence. Oh, you need to write that one down. vibratory equivalent, because it's the equivalent of $10 or more. And the same would be for $100 or $1,000, whatever you put down here. Understand this: the stronger your belief, the more absolute certain this is your reality. This is about to happen. This has already happened on another timeline. The more certain you are, the more you can put down. So look, if you are just beginning to manifest with the law of attraction, put an amount down that you believe is very possible. If you've been doing this for a while and you've had success after success after success, put down a larger amount. You will be shocked. There is no limit to the universe. There is no limit to your manifesting ability. So high flyers, this comes down to deep trust for the universe, deep trust in the universe, that the universe is going to do its part and you are going to do your part. Remember, money is nothing more than vibrational energy. Your thoughts are vibrational energy acting as a magnet to pull unexpected money into your life within 24 hours. You're giving it a time limit. Very important. You'll find the formula in a book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, one of the greatest books of all time. Absolutely a wonderful book, a must read. So you're going to write it down. I prefer, high flyers, that you write it down in the evening. Write the amount down and then simply put it near your bed. Put it on your headboard, put it on the wall next to you, but put it where you sleep. That's very, very important. So you write down the amount, you put it on your headboard, and you hop into bed. And then you say the following: unexpected money in the amount of whatever you wrote down is flowing into my life, or an amount even bigger or greater. I fully and completely trust the universe. Now, you know what the next step is? Just close your eyes and fall asleep, or your eyes should already be closed. Just fall asleep. Let's not overdo this. Let's not overthink this. Let's just allow this to happen. Okay? So you do this affirmation about money coming into your life unexpectedly in the next 24 hours in the amount of or greater or better, and I fully and completely trust the universe. So the next morning you jump out of bed and you see it, you feel it, and you absolutely believe it. You must see it, feel it, believe it. See it in your mind, feel it in your heart, believe it in your soul, and go about your day. Do something. Now, this is a very big key, high flyers. Do something special for yourself during the day. Buy yourself an extra cup of coffee. Go get that massage that you've been putting off. Do something nice for yourself. Do something special for yourself, because what you're doing is you're sending out a vibrational blanket to the universe that you are living a life of abundance and that money is flowing to you freely and easily. And expect the money that you desire to show up in your life in that 24-hour period, usually sooner. Now, high flyers, throughout the day, as you think about that money, if it comes into your mind, just take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it out through your mouth, and simply say, I know unexpected money has come into my life. I know, I'm certain, unexpected money or resources have come into my life. And just go about your day. Don't make a big deal of it. Just let it happen. Now, the next step is equally important. When the money happens, and it will, when the money happens, write it down. Share it. But where are you going to share it at? You're going to come back right here and share it right down below here. You're going to write down exactly what happened. I got up, I was going through the day, and all of a sudden I got a phone call, and there it was. An extra $97.50 in my bank account. The bank made a mistake. There it was. I'm so excited. Now, the reason you write it down, the reason you share it is because you want to do it again. And every time you write it down, every time you share it, you're building momentum for larger and larger and larger amounts. Oh, yeah. It feels good. So write it down, share it with us here, do it again, and expect more money in 24 hours or less. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.